I'm Luke Anderson, and I have this is my submission for the Actually OpenAI hackathon, and I've built the Universal Creative Income application. And what that does is it allows you to turn any type of data, allows a creator to turn any type of data into a revenue stream by making it applicable, discoverable, and relevant for machine learning models to be able to train on. So there's two main components to this. The first is that we need to make sure that the data is coming from an actual human being, that it's verified as real, and that the human being that's contributing it is weighted by skill, so it's relevant. We achieve that by using a technology called NewCoin. And the second is that we allow creators to upload their data permanently and easily, and we use Arweave and Bundler to do that, and specifically utilizing the Universal Data License to be able to have the data be legally accessible and understood to how it can be used throughout models, and obviously discoverable and findable via the tagging system, which can then be fed into and sourced by programmatically these machine learning models. So additionally, we're leveraging a protocol called LIT, and this allows for, amongst other things, encryption and decryption of data. So it just gives that additional layer of control to the creator. So I'd love to take you through a quick demo. So what we have here is I am just loading the application. I've already signed in via MetaMask. It requires MetaMask authentication and signing. So I can click on the file I want to upload, and here is where I choose the data license, and this is obviously going to append the appropriate tags to the transaction. So we sign the transaction, upload, and I can find the transaction ID here and go about discovering that in all the normal ways that I would. That's been uploaded to Arweave or to Bundler, at least for the time being, before it settles on Arweave. I find that transaction, that's downloaded the data, and we can take a quick look at this now. So that's the SVG in this example. And we're going to go through it quickly again. And now we've got an encryption method. We've added one more file in there as well, just a PNG. This is now going to be encrypted. So we're signing once more. And then what we have now is, if we go through the similar process, we're also going to find that transaction ID. One of those two, they've been handled asynchronously. So if one fails, then we've still got access to the other, but they were both okay. But we're going to take one of those transaction IDs, one of those pieces of data, because they're all independent. And we've got the encrypted data there as well. So what's the future that we're building here? So the first part was that creators have a way to monetize their content seamlessly and easily. And when we tie that to the fast-growing market for machine learning that progressively needs quality data, especially as more large language model generated data is being added to the mix, and this quality is guaranteed by the proof of creativity algorithm from NewCoin. And on the other side, then we have the immutability that comes from transaction storage via Arweave, as well as the legal framework layer that's been built on top from the UDL. And we create a very encouraging and positive feedback loop from creators being encouraged and incentivized, and having the ease to store content, and having that then be monetized via the purchase of that via machine learning models. They're able to trust in the value and quality of that data, which then encourages the flywheel of the process continued. We have the opportunity to airdrop income from their wallets to the users, and again, that just adds to this mix. So this is the future that we're creating. If you want to be a part of it, join us.